Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over is my microwave worth fixing? The long and the short answer is probably not, unless you have a more high-end microwave. If you take a look over here, we have a nice basic Frigidaire. This one's $130. But if we go over to this other Frigidaire, this one's $359. When you get in terms of parts breaking, things going, your control board's going out, those control boards are going to be anywhere between $150 to $250. If you got your microwave for that much, I don't personally see the point of putting more money into it. If I have one that cost me $359, the part's $100, I'm going to go ahead and replace that part. It's just kind of what's going to be better for you in your situation. Like I said, if your microwave's $100, it's a little cheaper, probably just better off getting a new one. If you spend a couple $100 on it and you really like that, it matches every other appliance you have in your house, then it's probably worth spending the money to fix it. That's what I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back next week for some good information.